We will be assembling the metal shelf here in the box. We got it from Amazon. This is from Semhor. The material is made of iron plus carbon steel, and the surface of the metal powder coating is waterproof and not easily rusted. This is the upper pole, the middle pole, and the lower pole. Putting the shelf feet. The bottom has 4 adjustable feet, which are ideal for uneven floors. Already installed the lower part. Everything should snap into its place. Ito nga.
Screw, you can adjust which one to make it
Even.
if this one kind of a little bit loose, see?
It will wiggle.
Yeah, so you have to look which one is.
I think the middle one, middle part. The screw in there. We will put the spacer in between. We're gonna put the spacer in between. The pole.
Yeah, make sure it's even.
I'm gonna snap it.
There you go. Make it even. This. Okay. See that right there.
I'm gonna snap it. And another one here. Be sure to check if it's
Top.
top.
That's the tops.
Yeah, top.
The pointing.
It's very easy to install,
This
and
is
it
the
can
third
bear
layer.
400 pounds, and it can be moved at will.
This is the third layer.
You can put this in the bedroom, kitchen, laundry, office, pantry, garage or bathroom, or your living room. It has PVC padding to prevent small items from falling. We got this from Amazon.com. Please check out the link and thank you for watching our video.